Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Dimas Wiono. In this video, I would like to tell about my daily activities in the dormitory from morning until night. Okay, first let me start with my weekdays uh, from Monday to Friday. Every day I usually wake up early in the morning. After waking up, I prepare myself to perform the Fajr prayer. Uh, this is an important routine for me, so I always try to wake up on time. Uh, After finishing the prayer, I get ready for breakfast. In my dormitory, we usually have breakfast together in a place called Resti with all students from the same study program. It is a nice moment because we can gather and talk with friends before starting our daily activities.
Semua teriak, masa logistik. Di neraka gak ada daun ganja. Di neraka gak ada botol whisky. Di neraka gak ada soto ayam babas. Yang ada cuma sabuk malaikat. Anda biasa dukung logistik. Dukung logistik dari juara. Dukung logistik pasti ada di surga. Yang gak dukung hapus.
Before going to campus, we have unique habit in the dormitory. Every time we went to go somewhere like eating or going to campus, we must line up and walk together. Male and female students walk in prepared lines. This rule helps you stay disciplined and organized. After breakfast, I go back to my room, take a shower and prepare myself for campus. I make sure everything is ready like my book and other necessities. Then we go to campus together again by lining up. This is part of your daily routine. At campus, I attend class and focus on my studies. Around we have a break time until 2 p.m. During this break, we usually go back to the dormitory to have lunch. Of course, we all line up again before going back. Uh, After arriving at the dormitory, I have lunch with my friend. After eating, we still have some time before returning to campus. Usually, I use this time to rest in my room. At around, we prepare to back to campus again, and yes, we line up again before leaving. In the afternoon, we continue our class until around 5 p.m. After finishing all the classes, we return to the dormitory and as usual, we walk in line. After arriving at the dormitory, the first thing I do is clean myself and take a shower. This helps me feel fresh after a long day of activities. At around 6 p.m., we go to the resti again for dinner. We ate together just like in the morning. This is another moment where we can relax and talk with friends. After dinner, we go back to our rooms. At night, my activities depend on whether I have assignment or not. I have assignment, I will spend my time doing my homework or studying. Sometimes it can be tiring, but I try stay focused. But if I don't have any assignment, I usually spend my free time playing futsal with my friend in the dormitory. It is really fun and helps me relieve stress.
Dengar suara masa lalu, ajak dong ketemu, katanya dirindu. Otra bisa begitu, kalau waktu itu kau tolak 10. Mungkin sekarang kecil sekolah, sumain bola, kau jalan cari marah-marah, pukul betis dan paha, lapor saya. Kalau waktu
sudah dewasa, bukan anak kecil, bukan di dinas, hidup masih sipil. Bisa bikin rumah tangga stabil, tinggal kau pilih mana baik mana ganjil. Saya janji minggu depan lunasi angsuran, Kamis, Jumat, Sabtu, tapi sepi panggungan. Aduh, sayang yang
Now let me tell you about my activities on holidays. On holidays, after having breakfast, I usually go out with my friends. We walk around outside the dormitory, buy some snack, and sometimes just hang out near the river. It is a simple activity, but I really enjoy. Besides that, I also spend a lot of time in my room. I usually call my parents, my siblings, and other family members. This is very important for me because I can stay connected with my family even though I live far from them. So that is my daily life in the dormitory. Even though it might sound repetitive, I enjoy it because I can learn discipline, responsibility, and independence. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.
pakai topi foto dulu. Kirim. Pasti nggak tahu muka siapa.
Iya. Udah. Ini gayanya.
Tapi tak